Hey guys, welcome back for some more Cisco questions, and today we're going to do some configuring passwords. Don't look at the picture because it gives you some answers. 489, you wish to have the Cisco device prompt you for a username and password. What command would you use? We got login local on the configuration line, login. Alright, so for this it would be, this is just basically knowing rote memory, it is B. You've got to be on the configuration line and then log in local to get the username and password if you want to log in that way on a particular device. 490, your manager would like all passwords encrypted in the configuration files on the Cisco routers and switches. What command is used to encrypt all passwords in the configuration files? So we've got service password encryption and configuration mode. Then we got enable service password encryption in global config. Enable service password encryption, and then service password encryption in global config mode. Just knowing the syntax on this one, the answer is D. Service password encryption, but make sure you're in global configuration mode. 491, which of the following commands are used to configure a password on your console port and ensure that the router prompts for a password anytime someone connects to that port? Alright, so we've got a few there. We don't have to worry about VTY because we just want to worry about the console port. So a matter of going through these ones. There's not enough information in A. It's just not syntactically correct. That's not correct. So it leaves us with C and D. Not enough information in D. So therefore, C is the answer. So you need to obviously open up the line, console, then chuck in a password, then obviously make sure you have login at the end if you want a login prompt to pop up. 492, you wish to create a username Rebecca with the password of mypass. What command would you use? Again, this would be knowing syntax. So we got enable Rebecca password mypass, username Rebecca password mypass, create user Rebecca password mypass, or username Rebecca password mypass. B is definitely not right because it's not an interface, so we can rule out B. It's A, C, or D. Cisco's syntax likes D the most. Global configuration mode, username Rebecca, password mypass. Username, name, password, password. 493, you wish to configure a password for privileged exec mode, but have the password encrypted in the configuration file. What command would you use? Enable secret password, enable password, enable encrypted password, enable secure password. I feel like I said password a few times. For privileged exec mode, it is secret, so A is the answer. Enable secret and then the password that you want to put in. 494, what is the difference between the login command and the login local command? So we've got login prompts for username and password, whereas login local prompts for password. Login is used for telnet access, where login local is used for access using local console port. Login is for local console port access, whereas login local is used for telnet access. And then we've got D, which is login prompts for password, whereas login local prompts for a username and password. If we remember from our answer earlier, login local prompts for a username and password. So therefore it is not A because it's the opposite way around, so that makes D the answer. There's a few D's in this one. Login prompts for just the password, login local for username and password. That's all guys, thanks heaps for watching on, subscribe away, got the website there. Really appreciate your time once again, have a great day. I'll see you on the next video.